Hey guys, welcome back. Okay. And I hope you have a nice day. Today's Saturday and yep. What do you think I have today? Well, what are these? Bullets. It's actually from this. Yeah, I got this from Easter and it's really cool, and the cool part is, you see this button right here? If you push it, that goes down. Woo! So the way to put these in is to press this button, like I showed you. Put the bullets in these holes. And then cock this little thing. And then you fire it. Oh my god! That one didn't work as well. This one inside. Tell me if this hurts. What the? Yeah, that one inside is broken, so I'm little like it just fell out. Yeah, so that's that. And I have another gun, which you see sometimes from my live stream. Just need to sit down. This one's a minigun, which y'all seen from the last couple live streams. And the way to this one is to cock that down, and then put the bullet in there. See this little hole right there? Put this in right here, that end first, like that. Did you see this little thing right there? If you cock it, it disappears. Which, it's not actually disappeared, it's just that it went down because when the bullet gets blocked by that, it doesn't work. So when that's down, it goes fired way down. So yeah, that's one gun. And then there's the bullets with it, a whole lot. I got extra more bullets for Easter too. So yeah, that's all I have. Just 2 guns. That landed on my bed. So yeah. Now I'm gonna just get these bullets, and then last time when I first get this, I actually did this. Just pull it like it's gonna break, but for now I'm doing this because it's calmer, not so wild. And guess what? When you I won't put the bullets in there. When you leave it like what it is, like this, and when you fire, it goes faster and powerful, like, wow. With a bullet, bullet, yep. You know what I'm gonna do now? I was just checking. So now I'm gonna put this in here. Okay? And now I'm just gonna this. And now I'm just gonna okay, this thing this little thing at the middle, that little thing right there, is broken. So, you hate that? Hate. Yep. This only shoots out of 1 at a time. Well, this one shoots 3 at a time. Like, pow, pow, pow. Like that. So, yep. That's all for it. And that's my chair from last video. And is actually just, I got that like from last month or this month, I don't know. So it's brand new, and I got, yeah, I always look at myself in the camera like, how I look. So yeah, yes, I'm sitting on my bouncy chair. So in my next video, I'm gonna try my room tour, which you see as now. So, and I'll teach you what's the room about and stuff. Well, not a whole lot. So that's the end of the video. That's all I have to say. I just have 2 Nerf guns, and when I have another one, like a new cool gun, I'll show you. So yeah, on my video, something, I don't know. So I hope y'all will have a good day. Bye, yay.